So you go to Play Store, Google Play Store, type Benimi. That's BENIME. Click on it to install that. That's what we're going to use for our whiteboard animation. Open the folder. So now, if you want to, this is what you have if you're starting afresh. Right. You click on this plus sign you have here. That's what you click on. You click on it to create movie title. Give your movie title. Mm-hmm. Oh, let me say subject. Wait, agreement. Okay, fine. So I click on create to create it. So the first slide, first thing I'm going to do is pick one hand, the hand I want to show the animation. So pick any of the ends. When you click on this one that has cancel, it means you're not using any hand. You just want it to keep showing text without any hand. But right now, I just want to make use of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to use the 10th one. Then I'll click on text. So I'm going to use good morning, hello, hello, welcome to class, morning, everyone. So I can decide to change the font if you don't like the font by clicking on this A, the uppercase A and the lowercase a. Just click on that space to get the font you want. So if I choose to use, if I used to use Sketch or Roboto, Roboto, okay. Let me increase it. Then fine. So if I choose to use a Zen, decide to centralize it depending on what I want. Okay, then you drag it, click on it, then you drag it to where you want it to be. Good. So you can also change the background here where you have your, after clicking on done, click on BG. BG is for background. So choose any background you want. Maybe I choose pink. I click on pink. Alright, fine. So this is what I have. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. So let me just show an image of someone. Don't mind the card because we're using the previous. Just 5 seconds. Okay, click on cancel and continue with your project. Okay, so we'll come right here and say good morning. So we can go to Giphy or Splash or not. What add SVG means is if you want to, if you have a picture or a graphic you want to use on your own device, on your own phone, you can bring it down here. You can upload it here. Then we have animation. We have on Splash. On Splash is where you get free pictures that you can use. Free pictures you can use for any project or online. This is on Splash. Then Giphy. Let's try to get one image from Giphy. Okay. Now I said good morning, everyone. So I can decide to pick on this. Click on that. So good morning, everyone. Okay, fine. So I can increase it to what I want. Let me change the background. So good morning, everyone. Okay, so let's assume that's what I want. Then I click on this plus sign. Then click on text to type whatever you want the ant to display. Today we are going to learn Insert. Okay. Then you go to the next to type whatever you want to type. Concord is the subject. In verb agreement. Okay. So you click on insert. Insert. So you drag it or you put it there depending on what you want. Okay. So example. So I'll click on text again. Type 1. She cooks the food. Okay. Insert. Fine. So you drag it down here and place it there. Okay. So let's assume this is what I want. Then let me insert an image. So I click on sticker. Where I have sticker, that's where you click on. Go to sticker.
A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. In the morning, brush your teeth.
Alright, fine. So I want someone cooking food, right? So I'll go to cooking or splash. Then click on cooking food, right? Cooking. So this is what looks perfect. This is perfect. Okay, so just click on that. Then I will have that right here. Just a minute. Fine, this is what we got. So I'm just going to put the image right here. She cooks the food. I can increase it or reduce it. So I'm just going to increase it a bit. Fine. Okay. Okay, perfect. So if you want to add more slide, you click on that again. To add more, you click on text. Then let's just say we're done with adding text, and whatever you want to teach, you know how to teach your subject very simple and straightforward with. So you can add music. So that's a beauty.
See the money I've made in the small time. FX is online trading platform.
Okay, fine. So we'll come back here. Then we'll click on music track or voiceover. So I'm going to use the voiceover. So if you want to add music to it, educational music, you go on Splash, go online, or if you already have your educational music, click on that, download it. Then if you don't have, you can just go online and search for free music on Freepik. Then click on the download beats or sound. Then you can use it as background music, or better still, if you don't just want any noise or any disturbance, just do your voiceover and that's fine. So I'm just going to do voiceover. Fine. So let me listen to the voice and see if it's okay. If it's not okay, I can start all over again. Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn Concord. Concord is a subject and verb agreement. Example: she cooks the food. She cooks the food.